Hey everyone, in my last video we talked about different ad objectives. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to launch your very first TikTok traffic campaign. If you want to send thousands of people to your website at a low cost, this video is for you. Let's jump into my screen. Okay, first go to your TikTok ads manager, then select brand awareness. Here are three options. We select traffic and click on continue. Okay, give your campaign name. I will just name it website traffic test. Okay, optimization goal is landing page view. Then continue. Now we are at the ad content level. This is where the magic happens. Okay, give your destination URL. I give it my website. Okay, I give my website URL. Okay, here creatives. You can upload your 9:16 vertical video here. Click. I go to creative library and upload. Then click on upload. Okay, confirm. Then add text. Okay, add a catchy text like new collection after 50% off, which shown here, and call to action. I select shop now. Done. Continue. Okay, next is targeting. You can select interest related to your niche. For example, if you sell fashion, search for apparel or style. Under optimization and delivery, make sure to select landing page view if you want people to actually wait for your site to load. Okay, here is automatic or custom. I select custom and location, United States, language, just English, and gender. This is my website. This is my Shopify store based on men's shoes. So here male and budget daily 30 USD. You can set up custom budget. I select it. Then schedule, custom schedule, start date and end date. Start date is 27th June and end date 30. We are almost done. When you click on publish button, your ads will be run. It's that simple. Traffic ads are the best way to test your audience before moving to sales ads. If you faced any issues while setting this up, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok marketing tutorials. See you in the next one.